1. Change your footwear. Static electricity is generated whenever two materials come into contact with one another. Oftentimes, footwear scraping across fabrics and other surfaces generates electric shock. People tend to build up electrostatic charge when they walk around, but certain types of shoes can reduce the risk of shock. Rubber is a powerful insulator. If you have carpeted floors, or work in a carpeted office, wearing rubber-soled shoes greatly increases your chance of experiencing static shock. Opt for leather-soled shoes instead. Wool is also a good conductor and can rub against fabrics to generate static charge. Try going for cotton socks over wool socks. 2. Be careful with certain fabrics. The type of clothing you wear can increase your risk of static shock. Certain fabrics are better at conducting electricity than others and should be avoided. Layering in general, even with similar materials, can increase the likelihood of static shock as materials with different electron charges can interact to produce static shock. Synthetic fabrics, like polyester, conduct electricity well. Limiting the use of such materials in your personal wardrobe can reduce risk of static shock. Wool sweaters and wool clothing in general tend to produce a more static shock. Opt for cotton when possible. 3. Invest in anti-static wristbands. Some companies sell wristbands you can wear to reduce your risk of static shock. If altering your clothing and footwear does not work, this might be a wise investment. Static shock bracelets work using a process called passive ionization. The conductive fibers found in the bracelet will flow off the strings and into your wrist, reducing the voltage in your body, and therefore, the intensity of static shocks. Static shock bracelets are relatively inexpensive. They usually cost under $10.